We're ready for the jury.
Mr. Honor.
Please standing for the jury, please. Ready to do a lot of reading? Skip the duly sworn if you like. May the jury find. Go one by one. Is this your true verdict? Trial we said today, the 2-day bench or the 3-day jury trial. I can't imagine that trial.
If we're waiting on 2 jurors, they just ran to the restroom.
All right, y'all can sit if you want or stand if you want. We'll stand when they're ready. Yep. And a couple of jurors are downstairs on a break, and so we'll let you know when they're all here and ready to go.
Yeah. Didn't want to get out of here.
I'm sorry?
Thought they'd want to get out of here too.
Well, maybe, but hopefully they'll come back. I've never had jurors abandon us at verdict time, so I think they'll come back. Be seated, everyone. We're on the record, counsel. The parties and the jury are present. Folks, I understand you have a verdict, yes? Thank you. The courtroom assistant will get the verdict forms from the jury so I can review them. Thank you. The clerk, will please read the verdicts.
Verdict one, we, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action, find in favor of defendant San Martinian.
Just announce on the record that that one wasn't filled out.
Verdict number two is not filled out. Verdict number three, we, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action, find in favor of defendant San Martinian. Verdict four, we, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action, find in favor of plaintiff Hussaini. Verdict five, we, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action, find in favor of plaintiff Hussaini. Verdict six, we, the jury, duly impaneled and sworn in the above entitled action, find defendant San Martinian's damages to be $0. Special interrogatory A. Answer is no.
Will you read the special interrogatory so we,
Do the parties mutually intend the 2017 residence agreement, plaintiff's exhibit 1, to be a binding contract? The answer is no. Special interrogatory B. Did the parties mutually intend the roommate agreement, plaintiff exhibit 2, and related promissory note, plaintiff's exhibit 4, to be a binding contract? And the answer is yes. Special interrogatory C. Did the parties mutually agree in 2020 that defendant San Martinian would retain her ownership of the property at 15824 North 22nd Way despite transferring title to plaintiff Hussaini? The answer is yes.
is this your true verdict?
Is this your true verdict?
Okay. So the lawyers know some of the verdict forms were unanimous and some were signed by some of the jurors and not others of the jurors. Do you wish to poll the jury?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor, but can we have the claims that each one of the verdict forms related to? They were just given numbers.
Yeah, so let's do this. Why don't you all approach the bench real quickly?
Thank you.
We'll let you look at the verdict forms and we'll see if there's anything we need to talk about before we excuse the jury. That's going to be. Well, you can take these. All right, folks, thank you for your patience while we worked through this. It's uncommon that we have that many verdict forms, and we just needed to make sure we understood everything. Your work here is done. So bear with me for just 2 more minutes. I'll give you some instructions. As soon as you leave the courtroom, you are free to go and you are excused as jurors. If you need proof of your jury service, stick around. Civilia will give that to you. Well, do they have the original juror badges? They don't take these home, correct? Correct? Yeah. So once you go back, free to go, get back on the jury shuttle and back home. I just want to tell you a couple things. First of all, on behalf of these folks, thank you for answering the call to jury service. It is obvious to me that y'all took your job very, very seriously, and we're very deliberate about it. And thank you for taking it seriously. That's all we ask of the ordinary citizens that we put on juries. Second, in front of you, I want to thank the lawyers for a very professional job trying this case. It's not easy. Obviously, you know that there are some emotions involved, but the lawyers did a terrific job of keeping it professional and doing what they needed to do. So I'm grateful to them. As soon as you leave, the admonition I gave you is lifted. So you want to talk about the case, do whatever you want. You want to post on social media about the case, do whatever you want. If you don't want to talk about the case, and somebody wants to talk to you about it, just tell them and they'll respect that. We're grateful for your time, and the jury is now discharged. All rise for the jury. Be seated, please. Well, once again, thank you. We've set our deadlines for briefing and findings and conclusions, after which I'll issue my written ruling. I haven't begun to process how that sort of mixed result verdict affects the work I've got to do later on. So I'm going to give that some thought probably before I get your briefs, just to kind of get my mind straight about where I think the issues I have to decide might be affected by those findings. I think that's all we need to do for now. Is there anything you all wish to discuss?
No, Your Honor.
I just would say one other thing. It has been my view since the beginning of this case, or since the first time I touched it, which I think was at summary judgment stage, that the case should be resolved. I still think that. And so there's certainly opportunity for resolution discussions in the next few weeks. But if not, we'll get you a trial ruling and then get you a final judgment, and people can appeal if they want or go from there.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. We'll be in recess.